to tell to my manager on the year-on-year performance. That means I want to tell to my manager that 2017 to 2018, there is an increase. Then after that, 2020 to 2021, there is a reduction. So how I can tell to my manager? All right. So what you can do is you go to pivot table in this data over here. All right. So what I'm going to do is maybe I'll just put equal B24, B cell over here. I divide by B23 minus 1. All right. So I'll just put a percentage. So now if you notice from 2017 to 2018, there is an increase. Okay, 2017 to 2018, there is an increase. And then if I just press control down, you will notice that some years it increased 91%. That means from 2019 to 2020, it increased by 91%. But 2020 onwards, I think because of the pandemic, the COVID-19, because there's a reduction and also reduction last year as well. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some kind of visualization for manager. All right. So I'll go to insert. I'll go to symbol. All right. So once I click symbol, you will notice a box will appear. Can you see this box? If you can see this box, maybe you can just type number 6, or in Malay language, you call it nombor 6 in the chat box. All right. Okay. So you can actually, of course, you can actually click Arial. The font will be Arial, and then you can actually choose subset of geometry shapes. Okay. Geometry shapes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert for whatever that is increase. This is up. I'm going to insert this. And whatever is reducing, I'm going to insert this as well. All right. And then I press close. Enter. So this is actually reduction. Reduction, I just put it over here. So this is increase. This is decrease. Let me put it over here. Okay, so 2%. 2% is actually positive. Increase by 2%. So positive, I put equal if this is more than 0, then it should be increase. If this is less than 0 or negative, it should be decrease. I close bracket. And now you see this. So of course, wait, let me put this F4 and F4. All right. So now you notice if there's a negative 8%, it's a decrease. Negative 12%, decrease. So I want to make it more beautiful. I'm going to put this as this value and a bit of space. And I'm going to put as text absolute. All right. Maybe I'll just remove the text first. I'll explain to you why I put this. I put N and I put 2%. So when I put 2%, you notice that I want to plug these figures into the dashboard won't be nice. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to put here text formula. EXT, open bracket. And then I put here apostrophe, percentage, close apostrophe, close bracket. There you go. Okay. So now I'll just put maybe an hashtag. Okay. So 2%. Okay, so now if increase means 2%, decrease means 8%. But maybe I'll just try to put absolute ABS. So now if you see, it's clear. All right, so this one, I'll just plug it in the dashboard over here. Okay, instead of showing these numbers, because your manager can already see this. Okay, 2.3, this 2.4, 2.5. So what I'm going to do is I'll just click this. I'll go to design. I'll go to add chart element. So once I click add chart element, can you see data label? If you can see data label, maybe you can type number 7 in the chat box, or in Malay language, we call it nombor 7. 7 means is 11, 7. Okay, so you just click more data label option. All right. On your right hand side, you will notice there's a menu over here, format data label. You click value from cells. So you click this. Okay. This box here, you'll just go to this data, and then you will highlight all this. You highlight this first cell until here, and then you press OK. So now I'll just tick this. So now you'll notice increase 2%, and then maybe I'll just remove the value, and there you go. So now you can actually tell to your manager, if just say you click this, you'll notice that year-on-year increase 2017, then they decrease to 11%, increase 46%, decrease 10%, decrease 10%, and then the forecast now is greater. All right, so my friends, did you learn something new? If you have learned something new, maybe you can just type yes in the chat box.